Hey guys, today in this video we are going to be talking about how you can make money online using this one platform called Medium. It's a very simple way to make money. You know, I used to be this type of person that was so against blogging, because I really didn't like to write. I liked to write like content and ads and stuff like that, but I didn't really like to write, and I didn't believe in it. Right? I didn't think it was possible. Right? So when it comes to making money on Medium, it doesn't matter how much money you make. Every day it just increases and increases and increases. The more consistent you are, the more money you make, right? And the more market research on what other stories are getting written and getting a lot of engagement. You want to implement those type of stories, right? It's a very simple process. When I started, I was like, oh, I didn't make no money, right? Second day, didn't make no money. Third day, didn't make no money. On my fourth day, I started to make money. It wasn't that much, but I was like, holy cow, you can actually write something what you want to do, what you want to write, what you like, and you're going to make money. It all comes down to the claps. Like claps are like on Facebook. Likes is the same process. It's so awesome. I love it. I love it. So let me show you what type of content that I've been writing that has helped me make money. Let's go. All right. So we're going to go to medium.com. Medium.com. If you guys want to go to this, I will leave a description down. Not a description. Oh my lord. I am going to leave a link in the description. My bad. Hey, can't be perfect all the time, right? But anyways, let me scoot my face over here, and we're going to get the ball rolling. All right, welcome to a Medium. Okay, Medium is a very structured. It kind of reminds me of Facebook a little bit, but not really. Kind of just reminds me of a website that has a bunch of stories on it. So when you guys go to medium.com, tell me what your thoughts in the comments. What you think of it? Like, what does it remind you of? Does it remind you of a Twitter, Facebook? What does it remind you of? So let me show you just a little results aspect. So I've been doing this about 2 weeks, about 2 weeks, right? So I got my monthly. I got 53 views, 18 reads, right? If you guys see, I was going pretty good, good. Actually, I started on the 1st of February, so today is the 17th. I've been doing it for 17 days. So if you see, I was going high a little bit. I got a total of 7 views and 2 reads. Then it went all the way down when I wasn't getting no reads on the second. Then on the third, it peaked up a little bit, 2 reads. Then for days and days and days and days and days and days, I didn't get no reads, right? Why? Because I wasn't consistent. Then when I started getting consistent, writing more stories, boom, look, it peaked up all the way up here where I got 13 views and 2 reads, right? Then it went down a little bit, In the last 2 days, it peaked up so much. Now, boom. So now let's see some results, guys. Okay, so my story yesterday didn't make no money. I didn't make no money, but the one I did on the 15th, it got 7 views and 3 reads, and I made 34 cents. Then one on the 15th, my first one on the 15th, because my plan is to do 2 stories a day, right? And this one got 3 reads and 3 views, my bad, and 1 read, and I made 55 cents. And on the 14th, I got 9 views and 3 reads, and I got 42 cents. And my first time making any money, I was so excited, like I closed a high ticket sale type of thing. That's the type of excitement that I had. And I got 2 reads and 1 view, and I made 1 cent, 1 penny, 1 penny, 1 penny, guys. Okay, this might not be much money at all, right? It's not. But the thing is, This is basically me making money every single day, right? And it's just going to grow and grow and grow and grow and grow and grow. You know, that's the whole point of a lot of different things. That you just have to trust the process and just keep on being consistent. You'll make more money and more money. And I know this video isn't going to be perfect. A lot of people on YouTube aren't going to like it. But the thing is, those people who want to make money with no investment. Actually, there is a kind of investment. It's like $5 to become a member, and that's how you become a allowed to make money on Medium. And you got to write your first post, right? Your first post is to make it, you know, that you're writing content. Then your second content is going to start making money. Your third content is going to make money. Okay. A total of let's see, let's see, and this is your partner program earnings. Okay, I made about $1.33. Okay, guys, let me tell you, I made $1.33, putting in about 5 minutes of work per day. Okay, so tell me where you're going to go make money just putting in 5 minutes of work. 5 minutes. You don't got to sell, you don't got to do nothing like that. I'm a salesman and I love to sell. But the thing is, this was kind of cool, and I get to post about what I want to post about. And here's like a guide that I did. It got 54 claps, 1 cent, 2 views, 50% read ratio, and it's going pretty good. Clappers engagement, it's going pretty good actually, to be honest. Um, so yeah, I just got a notification. So let's see what notification it was. I just got a new follower, so I'm up to, let's see, 39 followers. And guys, um, it's like every platform. You should always brand yourself. Okay, always should brand yourself. That's the number one thing. Branding yourself is the most key thing. Okay, it has me. That's on every social media platform. Is this picture, and it has my name, right? And then it has what I do. I'm a sales expert. It has my email and it has my phone number. Very simple process. It is a very simple process. Just brand yourself, right? Just make yourself just look up like a professional, okay? A professional. Just keep doing it. And right here, if you go right here, you can do your bio, right? And the best way to do it is like tell the audience of what you are doing, right? Like every platform. Then leave a link, right? Like I should leave like a link like that. If I go like that, so it should be popping up on the thing. Um, let's go back to Medium, and then let's go back to right here. So it goes right here. If people want to go to my link, this will pop up right here. Okay. So always lead them to a product and service. Okay. Always lead them to a product and service. Then they can read about it and book an appointment with you, or buy the product, whatever you have on that landing page. Does that make sense? So now let's go to back here. Go back to Medium, and yeah, that's how you make money on Medium. And if you guys don't know how to write a story, the best way to do it is like this. You have a title, right? This is what you do. Title. Then what I like to do is I like to go right here, money, right? I'm just gonna go out here. Then I'm going to always take this out, right? Take this out. Then I go like this. I do 2 spaces, and then I start writing it, right? Go to, And create account. Okay, right? Then you just start writing, right? And so if you want to go like that and make it big, so it looks like this, right? Or something like that. Very simple like that, guys. Or you want to write something on the bottom of it, right? I just messed up, but um, let's go back to bills or something like this, like that. And you want to go like this. You know what the point is. Sometimes I mess this up, but what you want to do is like this one I wrote right here. I like it. The real truth about making big money writing online, lies, right? And so I just made it like that, and I just made it look like an article, right? And just put some pictures that really represented whatever I was talking about, right? So when I said cut through the noise, okay, I put a knife and a fingertip, right? You just got to know what picture marketing is. To me, that's how I view it, as like picture marketing, when people are drawn by the picture and they want to keep on reading and reading and reading and reading. And I talked about social media, then boom, boom. And I did these little, what I did was I looked around different type of post stories, and I actually see what type of hashtags they use to get more views, right? So I use marketing, affiliate marketing, money, content marketing, and writing, right? I talk about writing, I'm talking about social media, I'm talking about money, and it just represents it, okay? It just makes logical sense, all right? So anyways, guys, I just wanted to share you what my thoughts of Medium and the reason why I use Medium, because I can make money every day, no matter what, no matter what. I don't got to sell anything. I don't have to do anything. But if you do want to make commissions through this, through your content, or what you do is very simple. Okay, it's very simple. I did it. I did this two days ago. Step by step guide to boosting engagement on Facebook for a massive sales increase. Right. I got one comment and but it walks through great work. Right. So I want to go at that because I love it. I love it. Right. I love it. And so what I did was I told a story, told a story, told a story. I gave some step-by-step things that you need to do to really get more engagement. And then I went down here and talked about how people are paying $5,000 to $10,000 for programs when they don't need to pay that type of money to learn affiliate marketing or learn how to be a coach. Like you don't got to spend that money, right? And then I walk down through, I give little steps of the marketing your business, simplified 5 steps to success. And I'm walking down the step process, and then I introduce a tool that can help you basically get engagement and get seen by more people. And there's an affiliate program that pays you 50%, pays you 50%, and then I go on the bottom. I said, check out this video, 5 simple steps to skyrocket your business, and then I said sign up now for your free 14 days, and then it goes straight to you, right? Go straight to the tool, okay? A very simple process. It's like no, it's not complicated, right? I just made things very simple, guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And this is 14 minutes long. It's longer than I wanted to record this video, but guys, go make your money. Don't sit there and go, damn, there's no way to make money online. But there is. There is. You don't got to pay. You got to pay $5, and this is how you can make your money back. Okay. And then you can have like a cash flow business. Very simple. All right, guys. I'll see you guys later.